This is an advice to you thinking of starting a sewing channel. You see, this you might not be told by your seamstress, because the role of your seamstress is just to tell you how to sew. But now you have learned how to sew and you feel like you want to get your work out there. You want to make people aware of what you are doing. And yes, YouTube is a thing. Everybody's talking about YouTube. A lot of people are doing YouTube. They are sewing and putting their products on YouTube, and you feel like you want to be part of this trend also. You see, I've got a lot of tips for you. Given that myself, I'm also building a sewing channel. This is not my first time out on YouTube, but sewing is what I have done for ages, and I feel like this is the best time for me to also be part of this game, which is you sew and also put your products on YouTube. All right, and this is just a tip for somebody out there that's thinking of starting out. You are overwhelmed, you don't know where to start from. You've got a good grip of how to sew, and you want to you've posted a video or two on YouTube and really not getting any traction, and you're kind of a little bit discouraged because it's taking you a lot of time to make these videos. This video is exactly meant for you, to give you a tip or two to guide you, to make you stay focused, and to make you see some of the things that you can possibly implement to make you seek success in this niche. You see, I've been taking a close look at some of the videos on these niches, and I realized that some of the videos are not overly long. If you can compress your videos between 4 and 5 minutes, you want to think of that. This is what it is. This is YouTube. Sometimes, unfortunately, you have to make your videos to please the algorithm. If you make a video that is very, very long, 20, 30, 40 minutes, sometimes people don't have the patience to want to look at these videos to the end. So I kind of find out that the videos that are killing it in this niche right now are the 3 to 5 minutes videos. So if there's any way you can compress whatever you are trying to put out there to fit within 3 and 5 minutes, please do it, because it will make you see success first in terms of views and in terms of how often you pump out content. Another thing that I found out to work in this video is that the people that are killing it right now in the sewing niche are people that are dedicated to pushing out content every given day. Yes, YouTube is a job. Sorry to disappoint you, because you might be thinking out there now like YouTube is just a thing that you could just wake up and throw a video there whenever you have time, whenever you have the motivation to do it. But you don't see success because you are not treating YouTube as a job. Yes, your sewing is a job. It takes all your time. Fortunately, if you want to see success also on YouTube, you have to put in the reps, put in the time. You have to make videos every given day. But the beautiful thing is there must be something that works for you. You have to use it to try to see success on the platform. You have to be open to make videos every day. I've looked through hundreds of channels on this platform. One thing that is peculiar to those that are killing it right now, I'm talking about people posting videos every day and getting 100,000 views, 200,000 views on their sewing video. The same video that you post and you get 3 views. Posting every day on the platform is not negotiable. You have to do it every day as much as you can if you want to see success. Perhaps this is not your wish. If you want to just have YouTube as a platform where you just throw in your content and you are not really concerned about seeing success, making some money off of this thing, take a chill, post as often as you possibly can. But if you are saying that, yes, YouTube is going to be an income source, then you have to post every day. A third thing that I have also seen that tends to work in this niche, which is the sewing niche, is for you to use long tail titles. You can't just post a video and title it jeans sewing, for example, or jeans hemming. You have to put a long tail title. Perhaps an example would be how to sew a jeans if it's too long, or how to sew a jeans a way that you have never seen. You have to make the title using all the keywords that you have. This I have found works, and I'm studying also the number of views that comes with videos with long form titles or those that have pretty short titles, and I've seen that the long tail titles tend to work a lot. All right, another thing that you want to also consider is your camera angle. See, if you are making the videos of you sewing on the channel, it makes a lot of sense to try to capture your project as much as you can. Your face is not important in this case. How beautiful your machine is also very not important. The important thing for you to capture is the project that you are working on, so which is your needle, your machine, the needle, your fabric, as well as, yes, just what you are working on should be your primary focus. How big your machine is, how fanciful it is, this is immaterial. The main thing you have to capture is the project that you are working on. Another thing which is also very important that you want to consider is you have to also be making short form content, because I just found out that yes, you might concentrate your effort making long form content, and then you are getting views, but you are not getting subscribers. In my own understanding, in my own discovery, I have discovered that if you make short form content, you tend to get more subscribers than just making only long form content. Yes, I get it. If you go on YouTube, you see all the gurus telling you could destroy your channel by just making short form content. But I want to put it out to you that if you want to see subscriber growth, please also create time to make short form content, because sometimes when I post a short videos, I get 29 subscribers, 45 subscribers from just a short video. But if I post a long form content, yes, I get views, but I don't get subscribers, you see. But the short form content, YouTube shorts, I don't know how it works, but sometimes just one short video, you see a lot of subscribers. So if you want to grow on this platform, make sure you are posting short videos. If this is going to be a long-term strategy, this is something you also need to decide. But like you know, you have to monetize on the platform. You have to get 4,000 watch hours as well as 1,000 YouTube subscribers. And for you to hit this milestone in record time, you have to be open to make long form content, which will give you the watch hours, as well as making short form content where you can actually get a lot of subscribers. So I hope this little tip helps you. As much as I discovered new things, I'm definitely going to come here and tell it to you guys. And in the meantime, until I see you again, peace.